coarseness of your droplet is going to determine if that droplet, how much it moves. So on your right, my left, are ULD, ultra low drift droplets. Now you'll notice there's not much like mist coming out from this side of the group. And if you look on this side, there's like lots of fine mist that's being produced. That fine mist is not something you actually want. There's a big misconception of this. Everyone thinks that that's good. It's really not. If there's a fine mist, that means that it's most likely going to land somewhere else. Okay. Reference point, we are spraying at 200 litres here. Please remember 200 litres, because when you see the water sensitive paper, imagine half the amount of droplets on that water sensitive paper, and then rethink next time you go through the field if you really want to go that low. Something to remember. Anyway, enough of that. You guys can all follow me. We're going to go into the field now. So we're going to have a look at some water sensitive paper. Let me try to find my drop. Was on, come on. I don't bite, I promise. Like I said earlier, if you ask me nicely, I might. But, yeah, then you'll see in that little booklet, you'll see there's like a little squeeze. So for like aerial application, so basically from 200 litres up, don't even worry about the booklet, but from like aerial application, like 100 litres lower, basically you take... Yeah, drones, that's a different kettle of fish. But anyway, the point is that for chemicals to work, the ones, if you are talking about aerial application, remember it has to first be registered for aerial application. You have to be a registered pilot. You also have to be registered for aerial application. So if you go and buy a drone yourself and you don't do that process, you are doing something illegal. It's the same as buying a firearm out the back of someone's boot. It's not really, and there's reasons for it. It is dangerous. You're dealing with chemistry, you're putting it in the air, it can drift. You're talking about very fine droplets because you're talking about very low water volumes. So this is a topic that sort of needs to get out there, in that, yeah, there is a reason for the law. Our laws in South Africa are actually very good around aerial application. They're just very easily ignored. Yeah, that's my end of my rant for that. Let's get back on point. So what we've got here is the ULD. So these are ultra coarse droplets. Remember, as I said inside, bigger droplets tend to penetrate easier. So you'll see great coverage on the ground. And then what you'll notice though is the retention on the crop itself is poor. So this is the consolation prize. If you have a nozzle that can't get this water sensitive paper wet, then get a 5-pound hammer and break every single one of them. If you can't get that wet, then you're really wasting your time. What's important for us, nozzle technology has moved on. We want to get penetration down here. As I mentioned earlier, even systemic products, you need them to get down there. That is not good enough for a reference point. You can see here on the front, you've got a couple of big, coarse grove droppels, and that's about it. And on that, you can see there's a couple. Why are we getting a little bit here? A little bit of a breeze, that's the only reason. ULD